All right, so I picked up some goodies from Target to go ahead and get to organize, and I'm excited because yeah, that's what we're working with, and it's just not really working. All right, so I got 3 sets of these. So this is one, so it comes with 4. So it has this really large container here. Then it has 2 smaller ones. I guess I can open it maybe. 2 smaller ones and then that longer one. And I absolutely love these ones. I already have some of these in here too. So I got 3 of those. I got 1 pack of these because I don't necessarily know if I will need these as much as I'll need the other ones. So this is 3, so 3 1 pack. And then I got 3 packs of 3 of these guys, which I like medium sized boxes, and that's exactly what this is. So I'm excited to put these in. I actually have these in my makeup drawer and they work so well. Like I absolutely love that. And then I also got 3 2-packs of these. So there are 6 here, and there are 9 of these guys. So I'll show you the difference in size. So essentially it's 2 of these medium ones. So if you need a larger piece, and then this is essentially 2 into here. That makes sense. So yeah, I'm excited to get started. All right, so in theory, this was supposed to be really good, except it's really not. I don't really know what to do with these because I don't like my stuff on display. So I'm thinking of like just organizing it in rainbow order in here because this ain't working. This in theory was really good. I'll probably still have to do this because I don't have anything to do like to organize this except for how it is. And then this, see, you can see these are the lighter containers. This is in here. Don't think this is the right place for it. I think I already know what I'm gonna do with these. Then I have these along with the tape, extra stuff. Like this doesn't belong in here, so.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey.
All right, now I'm going to organize some glitters. I have a ton of different glitters and I got a bunch more, so I really wanted this drawer to be organized, and I think I already need to reorganize it because I ordered more glitter. So I'm gonna let you watch this. I absolutely loved how this came out. It's just so pretty, and I kind of organized it a little bit different. So I'll kind of talk about that as well.
And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a card.
All right, this is kind of the organization I have. I have shells together, I have little shards, I have the clear ones, I have my circle ones. I don't have it by color, I kind of have it by type. And I think that's going to work for me. And those are like pigment, like chromes and stuff, so I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with those. So you can see I have kind of a lot of glitter on the left, and then I have like the individual glitters, and I probably break it down a little bit more, or I recategorize it because I like it to be separate, so it's easy for me to find if I'm looking for a certain type of glitter or something that I'm going to embed.
Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Hold on. Just stay one more night. I'll be.
All right, so I'm at the point where I just have to pull things out because I'm not getting anywhere.
By your side. We'll live for a new day. We live life the hard way, but not today. Just stay. Just stay. Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow so bright. Just we found a way into the grace again. Let's not pretend our hearts have life again.
All right, this is going to wrap it up for part 1. I don't know how many parts this is going to be, but I don't want them to be wicked long, so I'm just kind of breaking them up. You can hear my child tapping. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.